Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated steps for creating a poll on X, formerly known as Twitter. Polls are a fantastic way to engage with your audience, gather opinions, or spark conversations. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate the blue Compose button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. This is where you'll start creating your new post. Next, look for the poll icon beneath the text box. It's represented by a bar chart symbol. Tap on it to activate the poll feature. Now, it's time to craft your question. Type the question you want to ask in the text box at the top of the screen. Make sure it's clear and engaging to encourage participation. After entering your question, add your poll options. You can include up to 4 choices for people to vote on. For example, you might ask, "What's your favorite season?" and provide options like spring, summer, fall, and winter. Keep each option concise and relevant to your question. Now set the duration for your poll. By default, polls last 1 day, but you can adjust this time frame to anywhere between 5 minutes and 7 days. Choose a duration that aligns with how long you want responses to roll in. Once everything looks good, your question, options, and duration, tap Post in the top right corner of the screen. Your poll will now go live for your followers and anyone else who comes across it on X. That's it. You've successfully created a poll on X. As votes come in, you'll be able to monitor results in real time and see how people are responding to your question. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy polling!